Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of sec³ of x step by step. We want to compute the integral of sec³ of x. This is not a standard one-step antiderivative, so we use integration by parts. Quick reminder, integration by parts says integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du. Now we choose u equals secant of x and dv equals secant squared of x dx. Then du is secant x tangent x dx because the derivative of secant is secant x tangent x. And v is tangent of x because the integral of secant squared is tangent. Now apply integration by parts. This gives secant x times tangent x minus the integral of tangent x times secant x times tangent x. Now simplify the integrand. Tangent x times secant x times tangent x is secant x times tangent squared x. So now we have secant x tangent x minus the integral of secant x tangent squared x. Next, use the identity tangent squared x equals secant squared x minus 1. Substitute that in. Now the integral becomes secant x tangent x minus the integral of secant x times quantity secant squared x minus 1. Expand this. We get secant x tangent x minus the integral of sec³ x plus the integral of secant x. Now notice something important. The original integral appears again. So we move that sec³ integral to the left-hand side. That gives 2 times the integral of sec³ x equals secant x tangent x plus the integral of secant x. Now use the known formula for the integral of secant x. That is the natural log of the absolute value of secant x plus tangent x. So now divide everything by 2. Quick takeaway. For sec³, use integration by parts, then a trig identity, and then solve for the original integral.